inspirational story based on Buddhism, this category is making much. Don't believe me? Just look at this channel. It has gained that much subscribers by using no face nor voice.
And the most interesting thing is that these kind of channels are fully monetized, so they are obviously making money.
Okay, so at first we will take the help of Chat GPT to write our script. So I said to write a story based on Buddhism with image prompts. Let's see. So as you can see, our script is ready. Just copy the whole thing from here and paste it in any notepad or something. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, image generation. To do so, copy the first prompt from here and paste it on Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It is a free text-to-image generation AI tool that works on DALL-E 3 engine, similar to Chat GPT. We'll paste the prompt here with mentioning pixel style to get the best result. Now just click on create and wait for a while. Well, the first scene is ready according to our story, and I personally like 3D pixel style. Which style your preference is? Let me know in the comment. Now you need to download this image. To do so, at first click on the image what you like and click on the 3 dots. Now you have the download option. And if you get this step, repeat this process until you download all the images according to your story. For example, I'll go back to Notepad for second time and copy the second prompt and paste it on Bing Image Creator for the second time. Now click on create, wait for a while, and your second image is ready. So I hope you have understand this particular step better. Now I'm going to fast forward this to save your time, because time is money. And in the meantime, you can like this video and subscribe this channel to get this type of AI tips regularly. Well, this step has been completed. Move on to the next step, text-to-voice making. I usually use 11 Labs for text-to-voice generation, but today I am using a different AI tool called Clipchamp.com, an AI video editor by Microsoft, and it's free, at least for now. Click on create a new video to enter in the dashboard. In the left side, you will find the record and create option. Click on it. Then scroll down and at the end you get the text-to-speech option. Click on text-to-speech and look at right side. From here we can generate human-like narrator speech by writing or pasting text. To do so, go back to Notepad, copy from the script and paste that right here. Now choose any of these voice. You can hear them first. I like the Andrew voice, so I will select that. You can even change the language if you wish. Here it works fine for any language in this world, so you can do that too. Now click on save and the voice will be generated in no time. Now we need to export this in audio format, but the bad thing is it doesn't give you that option. So export it in video format, in 480p format, and I will tell you later what to do with this video. Now it's final and most important part of this video, the editing, because editing makes your audience to stick with your video for a long time. I'm using CapCut mobile application, so I recommend you to rotate your screen or watch this video in full screen. At first, choose the ratio of this video, 16:9. As you can see, all the images have been selected. We generated few ago.
Now watch carefully. Add a keyframe in the first image and expand it like this. Now add another keyframe to the other end and zoom it a little bit. Why am I doing so? We will know soon, but let me repeat this with the second image. Now, as you can watch the zooming animation, with the help of keyframing, you need to do this with all images. Let me do it fast. Now the video has been imported as an overlay that we downloaded from Clipchamp.com. We need the voice only. So extract the sound of this video and delete the blank clip. Now let's give an animation to the second image. Click on image. Click on animation, go to combo and apply this animation. And we can even apply style. Click on image. Go to style and choose 3D Zoom Pro. Looks cool, right? And if you wish to make it more engaging, don't forget to add effects. Go to trending effects and choose any of these. Next, let's add the diamond zoom effect on this image. Moreover, I want to add a butterfly effect on the very first image. Well, now add some birds sound effect. Go to audio and then effect. Now search birds to get chirping sounds. Add it throughout the whole video because it provides mental peace. I think the final demo video is ready. Let's export it and watch it together.
In a distant land, nestled amidst verdant hills and tranquil valleys, there lived a young prince named Siddhartha. Born into opulence and luxury, he was shielded from the harsh realities of the world beyond the palace walls. Yet, an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a yearning for understanding stirred within his heart.